5 seconds to go. Start. Leave granted. The appeals were heard finally with the consent of the council for the parties. The appellant, hereafter referred to as the director, is aggrieved by the impugned final judgment and order dated 24th July 2019 as well as orders dated 2nd July 2019 and 19th June 2019 passed by the High Court of Kerala at Ernakulam. The director had filed petitions challenging orders of the Kerala Administrative Tribunal, hereafter referred to as the CAT, which had required the reporting of 28 vacancies in the post of Medical Officer Ayurveda, Assistant Insurance Officer in the Department of Indian System of Medicine, hereafter referred to as the POS. The Kerala Public Service Commission, hereafter referred to as the KPSC, issued a notification on 19th November 2014 eliciting applications from amongst eligible candidates for the post. The first respondent, along with several others, applied for these posts. These candidates were included in the ranked list published on 19th November 2014. In accordance with the rules governing KPSC, the department in question, that is Indian System of Medicine and Insurance Medical Service, hereafter referred to as the department, had to report vacancies for the duration in which the list was operative, according to the procedure prescribed by those rules. Vacancies had to be notified and candidates advised, after which they were to be appointed. On 14th November 2017, the first respondent and others, hereafter referred to as the applicants, preferred proceedings under Section 19 of the Administrative Tribunal Act before the CAT. The applicants sought the direction to the department to report 65 vacancies of the post to KPSC before the list was to expire, that is, on or before 18th November 2017. An interim application seeking a direction to advise 28 vacancies remaining to be reported to the KPSC was sought. The interim order was granted on 14th November 2017. Like the respondent in this case, other applicants also moved the CAT with different applications. These were considered and disposed of on 3rd August 2018. The CAT took into consideration the pleadings and material before it as well as the contentions urged. It was contended that about 33 anticipated vacancies were reported on 8th November 2017 and 28 provisional vacancies also needed to be reported, which was taken care of by the interim order dated 14th November 2017. The CAT accepted an argument on behalf of the applicants that by a promotion order dated 20th June 2017, eligible medical officers Ayurveda were promoted as senior medical officers, as a result of which 28 vacancies arose which had to be reported. In addition, the CAT also noted 15 other vacancies had to be treated as additional stock.